Yes, Gaurav, I am audible to you. Yes, Gaurav, I am audible.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon. Yes, have you completed the all point?
Uh, no, sir, I am trying to complete it, sir.
Okay, no problem.
I'm trying, sir.
Yes. Yeah, let me start. First of all, basic introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. My name is Gaurav De. I am from Bakuda, West Bengal, from where I completed my schooling. I pursued my BSc degree in chemistry from Bakuda Christian College, and I completed my master's in chemistry from IIT Dhanbad. My hobbies includes fitness and listening to podcasts about health and fitness and Indian Army.
Yes, good. Your name is Gaurav. What the meaning of your name? Describe it.
So, my name is Gaurav, and it means honor, pride, and it also represent the person who bring respect to its family and to his nation.
Yes, good. Any antonyms, synonyms in your name?
Yes, sir. Uh, as the meaning of my name is honesty and respect, so the antonyms are dishonest and traitor, etc.
Yes, good. Next is what's your strength and weakness?
So, I am completely focused about only about chemistry, so I ignore other subjects. So this is my strength. At the same time, this is also my weakness because I ignore other subject while I reading chemistry.
Yes, good. Next one, move on your hobby. Your hobby is listening
Yes.
podcast, okay, XYZ. How do you use your hobby? Can you describe it?
Yes, as we know that uh, a person will be totally fit when he is mentally as well as physical fit. And in nowadays, physical fitness is the biggest problem in our country. So I prefer to do some physical activity so I keep myself fit and I can devote my complete time to chemistry and so that my brain work properly and I do not get disturbed by other situations. At the same time, I listen to podcasts related to Indian Army health and fitness. So Indian Army, I learned many things like disciplines, responsibility, their moralities. This inspire me a lot, and I will be very glad if I make some contribution, if I give my contribution for this nation building mission. Thank you, sir.
Yes, good. Next, move on native place. Yes, your district is
Yes,
Vancouver.
sir.
Vancouver. Yes.
Yes, sir.
What the basic history of your district? Describe it.
Yes, sir. Bakuda is a small district in West Bengal. Before 1883, it is not named as Bakuda. It was a part of Jungle Mahal. In 1862, it was named as Poshim Bardhaman, and in the year 1876, It is marked as a district Bakuda. 1872. From there. Uh, mm, Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Next, move on West Bengal. Yes, now.
Yes, sir.
What's the main major role of your district in West Bengal? Major role.
Yes, sir. As we see that West Bengal is a part of uh, is present in the eastern fringe of Choto Nagpur Plateau, and it is a part of RAR region. So, according to the mineral resources, West Bengal plays a very critical and significant role. There are many such minerals like coal, fire, clay, iron, which contribute. To the power sector and it also supply energy to the industries like steel factories, thermal power plants, refractory industries, ceramic industries, etc. So so since this is a mineral-rich places, and there are certain evidence that there is also some discovery of rare earth minerals, rare earth element, which is found under the National Critical Mineral Mission by GSI uh, in Purulia, about 0.69 million tons, and in Darjeeling, vanadium, which is a critical mineral, which is also found in West Bengal in recent days. So, in terms of minerals and industrial point of view, West Bengal plays a very significant role uh, to the country.
Yes. Next, move on West Bengal. What the basic history of West Bengal? How do you feel about your state?
Sir, as we know that there is no such West Bengal before post India. Pre-independence India, the whole area was considered as Bengal. After independence, as the partition happened, so Bengal divided into two parts: East Bengal, East Pakistan, which is East Pakistan, and the West Bengal. So it is our culture, our heritage, and as well as our education is very rich. As we know that the first freedom fighter, or which we call the father of Indian Renaissance, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, who was born in Calcutta, who was born Bengal. There are some other freedom fighters like Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar who starts the uh, Bidhova Vibaho Protha, Raja Rammohn Rai, who stopped the Satidaha Pratha, Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Dev, and there are many other scientists like Asarjo Prafulla Chandra Rai, who studied in University of Calcutta, Professor Meghna Saha, Acharya Jagadish Chandra Basu. There are uh, many scientists belong from our state, as well as the first IPS, Devendranath Thakur, who is the brother of Rabindranath Thakur. The Rabindranath Thakur, who is the gets the Nobel Prize for his Gitanjali,
Yes.
also belongs from uh, India, West Bengal. So I am very proud of my West Bengal as well as my country, sir.
Yes. Next, see what the main major role of West Bengal in our country, India? Political, economical, geographical, cultural, agricultural. Describe one by one.
So, as we know that West Bengal is mainly in the Choto Nagpur Plateau, mainly in the region belongs to the Choto Nagpur Plateau. So, it is mainly known for its coal mines like Gondwana coal fields, and there is uh, other minerals like iron and fire clay, copper, which is also found in West Bengal, and the coal which is found in Durgapur Asansol region supplies energy to the industrial belt like Asansol, Durgapur, Banpur belt, and there are some dams which made on the Jharkhand West Bengal border like Maithan Dam, Panchat Dam, which act as a hydro, which is a source of hydro energy, as well as If we know that culturally, as we know that we are Bengalis and we are culturally very rich, there are famous puja called Durga Puja, which is considered as a UNESCO World Heritage, UNESCO Cultural Heritage is considered as cultural heritage. So uh, I think our culture and our mineral sources and contribution of uh, other scientists to the India is very prominent.
Yes. Good.
Sir, please give me sir 1 minute, sir. 1 minute
Okay.
just. Okay, sir.
Yes. Next, move on point number third. Point number third is laboratory part. What is lab? What the role of laboratory in your life? And what are the applications of laboratory? Describe it.
So, as we know that as industries are developed in our in country and in all over the world, pollutions also increasing. So there is the role of laboratory is very important. The lab helps to find the resources to manage the environmental pollution, and it also helps us to reuse the environmental resources, as well as it supports the infrastructure of the industry building. uh, it supports the water pollution. The in lab we found the water pollution we can control, we can measure the pollution level, and according to the pollution um, um, we can do some things like purification processes in certain areas. We can see there is a earthquake, which are the natural hazards. So in geochemistry or GSI, we also can find the region which are the more earthquake prone region, like Himalayas, Gujarat. From this information we can uh, support to the industry that where should the industry build. And from finding the new minerals, we can develop our country, and we can move our country from fossil fuels to the green energy, for which the critical minerals, rare earth minerals are required. And for this, central government launched the National Critical Mineral Mission along with GSI. And during this project, GSI starts exploration and finding many critical minerals. So, mm, I think the role of laboratory is not just analysis. I think it is the role of laboratory to find out the resources, to find out the contaminants, and to stop the contaminants and their resources, as well as to prevent the pollution and to support the infrastructure development. So I think the role of lab is very important, sir.
Yes. What are the safety rules for laboratory? How many safety rules?
I don't know the exact number of safety rules, sir, but I know some procedures what we should follow. So during lab, sir, I don't know the exact number of rules, sir.
Yes. Which type of equipment and apparatus used in laboratory?
So, if we use the instrumental purpose, in chemistry lab there is UV visible spectrophotometer, atomic absorption spectrometer, uh, and sir pH meter, uh, to find the dissolved oxygen. We use the electroprobe, and we use the GLC, gas chromatography, mm, and we can also use the bomb calorimeter to find the combustion value, and mm, and we can use the column. We can use the column also. Uh, we can use the uh, vaporizing chamber. We can. Uh, so I said that thing sign also.
Yes. First basic point is laboratory is qualitative, quantitative analysis. What are the difference? Qualitative and quantitative analysis.
So in qualitative analysis, we mainly try to find the type of elements or compound present in the sample. And in quantitative analysis, we try to estimate the amount of the element or particularly the amount of the compound present in the sample or especially in the ore. We can say that ore will be economically suitable or not, sir. So qualitative analysis is mainly based on the identification of the element or substance or compound, and quantitative analysis is the estimation of the amount of the sample or compound present. Sorry, estimation of the amount of the element or compound present in a particular sample.
Yes. Next, move on elemental analysis. What is elemental analysis? How to detect a nitrogen, sulfur, halogen in a lab?
For detection of nitrogen, sulfur, and halogen, we have to do the Lassine test.
Yes.
We have to do the Lassine test. So should I explain this, sir?
Yes, yes. Nitrogen test.
Okay, sir. At first we take the sample in a fusion tube, and then we pour a small piece of sodium into it, and then we heat it. We heated it to the red heat condition, and then we use a mortar and distilled water, and then we ground the fusion tube in this mortar, and this is the preparation of sodium extract solution. Sodium extract. From this sodium extract, we can perform the test for the sodium, nitrogen, sulfur, and halogen. For the nitrogen sample, we first take the sodium extract. Then we use freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution. And now we add concentrated H2SO4 solution. So there is a appearance of the blue color due to the formation of the Prussian blue complex, which indicates the presence of nitrogen present in the sample.
Yes. Next is sulfur, halogen.
So for sulfur, we use the sodium extract solution, and then we use the lead acetate. So if sulfur is present, there is a black precipitate of lead sulfide, or we can use the sodium nitroprusside solution Na2FeCN(5), which gives violet red rose precipitate. And and these indicate the presence of sulfur. And for the presence of halogen, we can use the same extract solution and add little amount of concentrated HNO3, then boiled it, and then aqueous silver nitrate solution is added. Appearance of white color, which is fully dissolved in ammonium hydroxide solution, indicates the presence of Cl, and the appearance of the pale red color precipitate, which is slightly soluble in ammonium hydroxide solution, indicates the presence of bromine, and the appearance of the yellow color precipitate, which is insoluble in ammonium hydroxide solution, indicates the presence of iodine.
Yes. Next is halogen. Yes.
Halogen, I told
Yes.
so.
Yes. 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 Right.
Extract.
Next, move on functional group. Functional group first is
Yes, sir.
aldehyde ketone. How to detect?
So for the carbonyl compound, we can use the 2,4-DNP test, and for differentiate between aldehyde and ketone, we can perform the Tollens test. Aldehyde and aldehyde and some and formic acid and alpha hydroxy carbon compound responds to this tolerance test, and ketone does not respond to this tolerance test. And to differentiate between the aromatic aldehyde and aliphatic aldehyde, we perform Felling's test and Benedict test. Aliphatic aldehyde responds to the Felling and Benedict test, but aromatic aldehyde does not respond to the Felling and Benedict test. So from this, we can differentiate between ketone, aliphatic aldehyde, and aromatic aldehyde. So.
Yes. Yeah, next move on. The point number third is volumetric analysis. Yes. Volumetric analysis, basic
Yes,
point
sir.
of titration and indicator. What is titration and what is indicator? Describe it.
So, titration is a procedure from where we can find out the amount of the analyte present in the sample. Here we generally use pipette, burette, and conical plug, this type of instrument. And here is we have a titrant, whose concentration we know, and there is a titrant, whose concentration we have to calculate it, and there is an indicator who indicate the end point of the titration by changing its color. In certain cases, in certain cases, like in case of permanganometric titration, KMNO4 act as a self indicator, but in other cases we generally use indicators. There are certain type of indicators like acid base indicator, redox indicator, complexometric indicators. So there are different procedures from where we can estimate the amount of the titrant present in the sample. So
Yes, titration is acid base titration, redox titration, and complexometric titration. Yes, no.
hello sir.
Yes, titration is three types.
Hello sir.
Yes,
Titration.
acid base titration, redox titration, complexometric titration.
Complexometric titration. Yes sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Next
sir.
one is indicator. Indicator is also three types: acid base, redox, and metal ion indicator.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes, no. EDTA titration. What is EDTA?
So EDTA is ethylene. EDTA is a hexadental ligand. Its name is ethylene diamine tetraacetate ion. It is used as a indicator in complexometric titration due to its chelate forming tendency, which is known as chelation effect. It form a very stable complex with the metal ion, and from this indicator we can estimate the amount of we can estimate the hardness of water, especially. Using this method, we can find out the hardness of water. So.
Yes. Next, point number 4. Point number 4 is gravimetric analysis. Gravimetric analysis is basic point
Yes,
of precipitation. What is precipitation?
so precipitation is a process from where we mainly mix the element or the compound of our interest to an insoluble compound so that it remove out of the solution and gets precipitated. So this is the process of precipitation, sir.
Yes. What is solution?
The solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components, sir. The component which is present in the highest amount is called solvent, and the other components are called solute, sir.
Yes. Next, move on point number 5. Point number 5 is
Yes,
instrumental
sir.
analysis. What is instrumental analysis? And which type of instrument
So,
you use in your academic career? Describe it.
in instrumental analysis, we mainly take the help of the instrument to find out the to use the instrument to find for the qualitative and quantitative analysis. In our BSc, we did not get. I did not get too many scope to operate this instrument as well in MSc due to our COVID reason, due to the COVID reason. But I see the instrumentation of IR instruments, sir, and as well as UV instrument, and we also used the column, and but we did not perform too many. We did not use too many instruments, sir, due to COVID reasons, sir. But I read them and read them, sir. I only read them, sir, but I did not handle them, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, yes, yes. Tell me any
sir, one request, sir.
yes, yes.
सर वन रिक्वेस्ट सर, अगर किसी जगह पर सर अगर इम्प्रूवमेंट होने के चांस हो तो सर जरूर बोल
Yes,
दीजिएगा
yes,
सर.
sure, sure, sure. Yes, now good one.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
Next is instrument IR, UV, NMR, GC, gas chromatography, HPLC. Have you used these type of instrument? These type of
No,
instrument in your
no sir, I only see them, but I did not use them, sir. I only see them because our guide
yes,
perform their task and we see them, sir.
yes. So first of all, IR. What is the basic application of IR? Infrared.
So mainly IR is mainly used for the functional group determination, and there is some characteristic frequencies of certain systems from where we can find out the which type of functional group is present in the sample, and which type of carbon-carbon bond is present in the sample, sir. Are mainly used for the functional group determination due to their characteristics, absorptional characteristic frequency, stretching frequency, sir.
Yes. Near IR, far IR. What is the difference?
So near IR is the region. Sorry, sir. Far IR, sir, I get confused a little. Far IR is the region where the wavelength is below 200 nanometer, and near IR is the region from 200 to 380 nanometer, sir. Near IR, yes, sir. And there is no characteristic absorption. There is no characteristic stretching frequency in the far IR region that is below 200 nanometers. So in UV visible spectrophometry, we mainly use the near IR region, which belongs from 200 to 380 nanometer and 380 to 780 nanometer for the visible region, sir.
Yes. Next, move on NMR. What the basic application of NMR?
So from the NMR, there is different type of NMR like 1H NMR, 13 carbon NMR. So from this NMR technique, we can find out the from 1H NMR, we can find out the type of hydrogen atom present in the sample, the number of hydrogen atom present in the sample, and their environment. And from 13 carbon NMR, we can find the degree of the number and the type of hydrogen present in the sample, and also their environment, like their sp3, sp2, or sp hybridite, or attached with any strong electronegative atom or not, sir. It is also used in structure determination, sir. It's specially used in the structure determination, sir.
Yes, UV. What the basic application of UV?
Sir, lab purpose, sir.
UV, yes, ultra visible.
Ultra visible, sir. So 1 minute, sir. Sir, UV visible region mainly refers to the electronic transition from one electronic level to another electronic level. So from the UV study, we can find out there is any conjugation present in the sample, or the presence of oxochromes, uh, mm, And in UV visible spectroscopy, we mainly refer to the pi to pi star transition, which has a very high molar extinction coefficient. And we also consider the N to sigma star transition, N to sigma star transition. Sorry, sir, N to pi star transition, which is the certain in which aldehyde and ketone has certain characteristic wave number, like aldehyde and ketone shows N2 pi star transition at around 298 280 nanometers. So in UV visible study, find out the we can mainly find out the is there any conjugation present or not, presence of oxochrome, and there is certain compounds which show color, like chromophores, and the color of the chromophores can also be explained by the help of this UV visible study, sir.
Yes. Next is chromatography. What is chromatography? How many type of chromatography?
So the classification based on the if we use the in case of phase, there is two types of chromatography: liquid phase chromatography and gas phase chromatography. Liquid phase chromatography is two types: uh, liquid solid chromatography and liquid gas chromatography. And in case of sorry, sir, I forgot, sir. Sir, one thing, sir. In
Yes.
case of liquid, there is an adsorption chromatography, partition chromatography, size exclusion chromatography, and mm, sorry, sir, I forgot, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yes, ion exchange chromatography, thin layer chromatography, paper chromatography. Do you have any idea?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, describe.
So in thin layer chromatography, we mainly take a plate in which silica is coated uniformly, and silica is hydrophilic in nature. So at first we take the TLC plate, and then we make the baseline by the help of pencil, and then we put the sample with the help of capillary at the middle of this baseline, and we place the TLC plate in a jar, or in a jar, or mm, in a beaker which is saturated with the solvent, and then we placed it and then we placed it uh, then we wait for some time. Due to the capillary action, the solvent move upwards, and when solvent move upwards, the more polar solvents remain in the silica phase, stay in the layer, due to their due to their higher affinity for the more polar silica phase, and the non-polar or the less polar component moves with the solvent. So according to their affinity, they adsorbed at different point, uh, and from this so we can say the more polar component move least, and the least polar component move highest from the retardation factor value, and we can find out the type of component present in the sample.
Yes. Yeah, next one is atomic absorption spectroscopy or atomic emission spectroscopy. What's the basic difference?
So, atomic absorption spectroscopy is mainly deal with the absorption phenomena. Here, the it is affected by the, or it is sensitive to the. It is sensitive where the population in the ground level in the ground state is more, and in fluorescence spectroscopy, atomic fluorescence spectroscopy, we mainly collect the data from the emission of the atom, and it is sensitive uh, to the population at higher excited level. And in atomic absorption spectroscopy, we mainly use the mm, in atomic absorption spectroscopy, we mainly use flame as atomizer, and in atomic emission spectroscopy, we use electrothermal method for the atomization process. So,
Yes.
so I did not get too many time so that my preparation was not good, sir.
Okay, no problem. Yes, daily
Uh,
practice, daily mock. Yes, no.
yes, sir. Yes,
Next,
sir. Yes,
ICP,
sir.
OCS.
Sir, I don't know, sir. ICP OES.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, next move on UPSC. Yes, what is UPSC?
Yes, sir.
What the basic application of UPSC? How it is work UPSC? Presently, who chairman in UPSC?
Sir, I did not prepare this part, sir. Sorry, sir.
MSc project. What the application of your MSc
Sir,
project?
MSc. So, I did not find till now. I did not find, sir, any application, sir. I start reading, sir. From today, I start reading. So I cannot find the application part, sir.
Okay, any other sections you have prepared? Any other point?
Any other points, sir?
1, 2, 4 point is complete. Your 3 point. Intro, native place, laboratory part.
Sir, sir, is there any question from core chemistry? Or sir, my project is related from fluorescence spectroscopy. Sir, my project name is excited state intramolecular proton transfer in green fluorescent chromophore, green fluorescence protein chromophore. So I don't know, sir, how to prepare, sir, because this is the biology part mainly, fluorescence. So what should I read, sir? Related topics.
Basic application only. Fluorescence. Yes, no.
Sir, will there be any advanced question from fluorescence? Because I forgot everything, sir. Advanced question like
Basic
Fourier
question. Not
transformation.
advanced question. Only basic fluorescence, application of fluorescence, uses of fluorescence. What the beneficial point of this project in our society? Application part. How it is work.
So I know the why we shoot the project. We did the project, but it is from the sir point of view of medical point of view, sir. I
Yes.
did not find sir any application in
Yes. Medical. Yes. What
GSI, sir.
is of this project in medical field? Yes, no. This type of question.
Ye- Yes, sir. If it has use in medical field, so we should or I should also tell the application part, sir.
Yes. First basic point is
Okay, sir.
application of this project. Application, use it, beneficial point. You know, which type of work
Okay, sir.
from this project. Only basic idea.
Hmm.
Basic study on this.
Sir, will there be any question from the water pollution, soil pollution in our
Yes,
area?
yes, yes. Net other sections. Yes. Water treatment part. CPCB also.
Water. Yes, other pH parameter. What are the basic qualities of water? I read,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes,
I
yes.
prepare this part also, sir.
One by
Among
one point
yes, sir.
now. One by one point. 3.4 point is MSc project. 5 point is UPSC related. 6 point is your GS sections. Yeah, na. This time and 7 point is your
Yes, sir.
chemistry, whole chemistry. Yes, no. Chemistry.
Yes, sir.
8 point is
Yes, sir.
related is water treatment. Yes, no. Water treatment. Analytical part.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hardness, softness. How to.
Sir, sir, will there be any question from the geology or geography of
यस
India?
यस 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 वन बाई वन अभी हम वन बाई वन डिस्कस करेंगे ना अभी पॉइंट आ रहे हैं जो जीएस 6 नंबर पॉइंट ही जीएस सेक्शन
Okay, sir.
करंट अफेयर ज्योग्राफी जियोलॉजी वी विल डिस्कस वन बाई वन करेंगे ना आपको
Sir, 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 there are too many parts, sir. There is some very small time. So how should I prepare, sir?
only basic idea what is geography how many type of geography what is geology how many type of geology yes this type of question basic only core crust how many layers of layer in earth core mental yes core mental
Sir, I prepared the sir, physical geography part. Layer of our soil, rock, plate
Yes, soil rock,
tectonics,
mineral,
volcanoes.
depth rock, oil. Yes, basic.